na with our President, Jojo, VP, wala akong MC, kasi VP Internal is Jake, VP External, that's Dwayne, AKA. Dami AKA, no? Maghahala na din kayo. Bulatas. Ay, yun yun. AKA Bulatas kay Krish. Ay, Secretary Krish siya. Ayan. Dapat magkakatabi ng gano'n na, in that order, okay? Gusto kayo? Gusto na ba na dito, Jake? Doon banda doon ka. Ayan. Sige. And then we have Treasurer, pinakamayaman, si Chris. Chris, punta na ka mangwenta. Mangwenta yung gastos. Chris Duya, Adia. Ayan. And then we have our auditor, Julius. Julius. Pogi. And, of course, our representatives, 5th year representative, Anna Rose. Pahiram sandali, Jimel lang. Dito. Chris, dito ka, Chris. Ayan. Dun. In that order. Ayan. Musik ko na yan. Joe Muji. And then, okay. And then we have our 4th year representative, Rose Ann. And from our 3rd year, meron tayong mga officers. Our PRO is Carla. Ayan. Si singer and dancer maraming slash. Ayan. And then our 3rd year representative, Charm. Ayun. Ayan.
Huge!
Ay, sandali. Kasha. 101 niya po. Sige. Okay. So, ito po yung mga officers natin for this school year. Before natin sila, bago natin sila papanumpain, ika nga, ay announcement lang po, September 1, General Assembly ng ICPEP sa TIP Quezon City. September 1. So, for those who are interested to come, please see your officers. Lahat sila. TIPQC. Okay? That's General Assembly. Oh, di po ko tang. Ala nyo. Okay. Officers, are we ready? Kindly raise your right hand. I state your name. Having been elected as, state your position, of the Institute of Computer Engineers of the Philippines Student Edition, how chapter, do solemnly swear to abide by and uphold the Constitution and bylaws of this organization, to perform my duties to the best of my ability and capacities without fear or favor, with the aim in view of furthering the purpose of this organization and advancing the interests of the community, to work with and respect the opinions of my peers who serve this organization, to always act for the good of the community and to represent this organization in a positive and supportive manner at all times and in all places. I will exercise the duties and responsibilities of this office with integrity and care, and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Okay, bye-bye. Palakpakan mo natin mga officers natin.
Guys, tayo naman yung malumapa. No? Members oath, kindly tayo tayo.
Members.
Okay. Itaas ang kanang kamay. Okay, ready.
Ma'am, magdo-document ako.
Tama yun.
I state your name.
State your name.
Having been elected. State your ayusin natin guys. Let's make it solid. Members oath. I state your name.
I
Do solemnly swear
solemnly swear
that I shall faithfully serve
that I shall faithfully serve
as a member
as a member
of Institute of Computer Engineers of the Philippines, the Student Division of HJU Chapter, and will do the best of my ability serve as a living example of this organization's philosophy and beliefs, and will uphold and enforce the Constitution of this organization at all times. I will perform my duties to the best of my ability and capacities to promote community welfare and to develop friendship and camaraderie with both the members and officers of ICPF.SE. I take this oath. May God grant me the strength to fulfill the duties faithfully and without reservation. So help me God.